Hello beautiful people. As a mother of 3 with a bonus son, a wife, a content creator living in Spain. For dis video, I go dey show una how I take dey clean my rug make dust no for dey because dust dey bring catarrh and e dey make house dey smell somehow. So na so I carry my brush. I first of all dey brush my house, brush the rug very well so that all the dirty wey e dey for inside the rug go comot. As I no get money to buy machine wey be say e dey clean rug, na this method na I dey use normally. This way dey a little bit stressful o, no be say e no dey stressful, but I dey use am because I no get choice. So I carry my disinfectant that we dey call am like that for Spain, put am for inside the water. I put my brush inside so that I go use am take wash my rug very well. I like this product very well because e dey child friendly. My children like the scent because e dey very good. So as I don put am for the water, I come put the brush, I come begin dey clean am. Look me now, as a super mom when I be, see as I dey clean, begin dey clean am. You dey see am na power and everything o. E no easy because my children really dirty the rug sometimes, but as I dey clean am with joy because how many things wey be say you go fit do, especially when your children dirty your thing, you go dey smile because why? At least you still get children wey dey dirty something. For those wey no get children wey dey dirty something for their house, abeg God go provide for una and God go bless una this month. This month no go ever pass una. Say amen. Na always joyful something wey be say you get children when e dey dirty your house, wey go make you clean, wey go make you do things wey you suppose to do for your house. E dey always dey joyful. Belle dey sweet me so many times if I dey always dey clean my house like this. Cleaning my house like this dey give me joy because e dey sweet me for body, and as I dey clean am, I go dey smile. You see as I dey clean am, I dey do am fast because I know say my son can wake up any moment at a time, and if he wake up see say the house never clean, he go must come jump poo for the place like that, even as e dey wet a little bit. For that reason, I need to clean very fast. So I don clean the first side finish. Now so I carry my table go put am for center make I for clean the other side of the place because everywhere need to scent and everywhere need to be clean because my children dey touch everything, and if they dey touch everything like that, if you no dey clean the place, e go make children dey fall sick, and me I no get power for sick because when you get sick children, you no dey fit dey sleep for night, and me I no dey use my sleep take dey play. Na so I begin clean. E dey wash me. I don almost clean am finish. So as I dey clean am, e dey go zam. As I don clean the other side finish, na so I come begin dey clean this side. I come clean am. I don almost dey clean finish. I come go the other side when e dey near where TV dey. I begin dey clean am because that place Obidike dey like to play for there. Na there e dey mostly dey put e toys. So I don clean finish, check out the house now. Very mindful, very demure, very thoughtful and very beautiful. At this time I don dey hear my pikin voice. I dey hear e voice now. Say make I go. Thanks for watching.